Welcome my English GK channel. Prince of Wales Cup is related to which of the following sports? The correct answer is option B, golf. The Rovers Cup is related to which of the following sports? The correct answer is option A, football. What is Dola Banerjee famous for? The correct answer is option C, as an Indian archer. Who is the top scorer in Indian national football team? The correct answer is option A, Sunil Chhetri. Where are the headquarters of Commonwealth Games Federation? The correct answer is option B, London. Which country will host the 2020 Summer Olympic Games? The correct answer is option D, Japan. Which country hosted the Asian Games the most number of times? The correct answer is option C, Thailand. The term cherry picking is used in which sports? The correct answer is option B, basketball. When was the International Hockey Federation founded? The correct answer is option A, 1924. My Story is an autobiography of which famous cricketer?
To get more such important GK videos, subscribe this channel.
The correct answer is option C, Michael Clark. In which country the first Youth Olympic Games was held? The correct answer is option B, Singapore. Who was George Parr? The correct answer is option A, an English cricketer. Which country won the Women's Cricket World Cup most number of times? The correct answer is option D, Australia. Oldest ice hockey arena in the world, Matthews Arena, is located in which country? The correct answer is option B, United States of America. Which country will host the 2024 Summer Olympic Games? The correct answer is option C, France. Who won the first ever gold medal in the history of the Commonwealth Games? The correct answer is option D, Jordan Smolacombe. In which country the first Asian Games was held? The correct answer is option B, India. Headquarters of the Olympic Council of Asia is located at which country? The correct answer is option C, Kuwait. Which national games of India were held using green protocols? The correct answer is option B, 2015 National Games. Which state of India houses the Shohid Bir Narayan Singh International Cricket Stadium? The correct answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. In which year the first Cricket World Cup was held? The correct answer is option C, 1975. Which country hosted the second Cricket World Cup of 1979? The correct answer is option B, England. Which female tennis player won the most number of Grand Slam tournaments? The correct answer is option C, Margaret Court. In which Summer Olympics badminton was introduced for the first time? The correct answer is option A, 1992 Summer Olympics. What is Valiavital Diju famous for? The correct answer is option D, as an Indian badminton player. Which sports competition is known as the FIBA 3x3 World Cup? The correct answer is option A, basketball. Which country's basketball governing body is the Hellenic Basketball Federation? The correct answer is option C, Greece. Which country became the runners-up of the 2019 FIBA Basketball World Cup? The correct answer is option B, Argentina. Which is the country of origin of the swinging wrestling? The correct answer is option C, Switzerland. Which sports traditional form is Khures? The correct answer is option D, wrestling. Thank you for watching this video.